Georgia transparency is going hot at the Meriwether County Courthouse again. We are here to file a lawsuit against the probate court Judge John Rasnick for not wanting to produce open records and saying that the probate court is exempt from open records laws and the Georgia Open Records Act. So let's get into it.
What's up, guys? San Joaquin News Network here. I'm doing this video really quick. I'm going to talk about something that's happening in the auditing community. And this channel is called Georgia Transparency. So he's had some dealings with some of his public officials over there, and he's been asking for some public records. They don't want to give him his records. So one of the things that he's done is he's filed a lawsuit against the county for holding some of these records from him. What I would like for you guys to do is go over to his channel, show him some support. And this is his first time filing a lawsuit pro se. So I got to say that we don't know exactly how it's going to turn out. But what we want to do is find out if we can do this type of thing as well. Can we learn from him? Can we learn how to do these things ourselves when these public officials don't want to do their job correctly? A lot of things that we've been discussing along the way, this whole community, is the fact that, do we really need attorneys? A lot of times we're finding out that some of these attorneys are just taking our money and not really helping us. And I understand something, guys. I understand that we live in the age of information. We should have information out there that helps us, that's free. Like, we shouldn't have to pay an attorney, right, to do things for us. We should be able to do a lot of these things ourselves. And I think that's what's happening here. I think we the people are finally getting tired of having to pay for attorneys to do this, and simple things that we can learn how to do ourselves. So what I would like you guys to do is go over to Georgia Transparency's channel, watch his video. I'm going to drop the link in the description and in the pinned comment, and let's see what we can do. A lot of you guys know more than I do. I'm just a YouTuber. I don't have a law degree or nothing like that. And what I'm trying to do is help build a community of folks that know what's going on, know how to do these types of things. Maybe we can get lawyers on board or attorneys on board who don't really want a paycheck every fucking time they talk to us. Maybe we can get some of these guys to help give us information, things that could help us in general, as a people. So those of you guys who know how to do these types of things pro se, go over to Georgia Transparency's channel. If you are wanting to learn how to do something like this pro se, go to his channel, subscribe. I'm dropping the links in the description and in the pinned comment. And just so you guys know, okay, he's not filing a lawsuit to win money. He's not asking for money. I mean, I think he is out like $200 and something. I mean, I think he would probably want that money back that he's paid for records that he's never gotten. So, but at the same time, do we have to keep filing lawsuits for these departments to actually give us records that they're supposed to give us no matter what? What can I say, guys? We are learning from each other, and let's see if we can go give Georgia Transparency our support. Let the officials over there know that we the people are watching. All right, guys, thank you so much for this little quick news update. A lawsuit has been filed by Auditor, and it's for records, guys. So I'm going to drop the link in the description and pinned comment. All right, folks. Thank you, guys.
He does not have, it's county employees, we all have them, but he does not use his. And I'm not allowed to give out his personal email because, it's personal. But I am one of his clerks, and a lot of attorneys contact me to get in touch with him. So if you want to, anything regarding him, you can email me and I can get it right to him.
Does he use his personal email for county business then? Because I would like to email him if possible.
I am not, honestly, I do not know the answer to that.
Oh, okay.
Because we all have our county emails that I
contact information for Judge Rasnick. Does he have a county email?
No, sir.
He doesn't use an email for any business or anything?
Not for court business, no, sir.
No, I'm talking about for public business, not court, just for county business, for county business.
No, he doesn't have a public email address at all. Sorry.
Okay, does he use an email address for county business?
You have to call the county attorney for that.
For a public email address?
Yes, sir.